Hello guys, I'm Anisur Rahman. Welcome to my YouTube channel Compu Geeks. Today I'm going to show you how you can lock your private folder or file without any third-party software. Yes, yes, it is now totally possible to this method. So let's jump into the tutorials. First of all, you go to the drive which folder or file you want to lock. Then select. So I am going to the folder. I choose a folder, choose a drive, and already I'm making this folder Compu Geeks and making this another folder Anisur. So I lock this folder into this drive. So select the location bar and type here cmd and then pressing enter. After this pressing enter, then it's open like command prompt, and then type a command attrib attrib space plus h space plus s and space plus r, then selected folder name. See this name folder and type this folder name and then pressing enter. Let's see. You cannot see this folder. You can't see this folder. If you want to this folder is unlocked, then that same process is here. Attrib, just change it. Attrib space minus h space minus s space minus r space your folder name. Sorry, your folder name. Then pressing enter, and let's see this folder's coming, and you can see so guys, this is the video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get a notification for a new updates video. So till then, take care and thanks for watching. Bye.
Wow.